It's sad how much of what is taught in school is useless to over 99% of the population. There are literally math concepts taught in high school and middle school that are only used in extremely specialized fields, or that are even so outdated they aren't used anymore. I took calculus my senior year of high school, and I really liked the way our teacher framed this on the first day of class. He asked somebody to raise their hand, and asked them when we would use calculus in our everyday life. So one student rose their hand and asked, "When are we going to use this in our everyday life?" "Never," the teacher exclaimed. "You will never use calculus in your normal everyday life. In fact, very few of you will use it in your professional careers either." Then he paused. "So would you like to know why you should care?" Several of us nodded. He picked out one of the varsity football players in the class. "You practice football a lot during the week, right, Tim?" asked the teacher. "Yeah," replied Tim, "almost every day." "Do you and your teammates ever lift weights during practice?" "Yeah, Tuesdays and Thursdays we spend a lot of practice in the weight room." "But why?" asked the teacher. "Is there ever going to be a play your coach tells you to use during a game that requires you to bench press the other team?" "No, of course not." "Then why lift weights?" "Because it makes us stronger," said Tim. "Bingo," said the teacher. "It's the same thing with calculus. You're not here because you're going to use calculus in your everyday life. You're here because calculus is weightlifting for your brain, and I've never forgotten that."